Today I am breaking down a perfect A+ setup. The kind of setup you should be patient for. The one that pays you clean, pays you fast, and pays you without stress. I've actually shared this example before, but today I'm going to walk you through it step by step so you understand why this setup works every single time. Now, an A+ setup is simple. It's a trade that checks every single box on your trading plan. Not 3 out of 5, not it looks good, not everything aligns. Clear market structure, liquidity taking, a clean imbalance or fair value gap, a strong entry zone, high RR, no confusion, no guessing. If all the stars don't align, it's not A+ setup. On this day, the market was in a clear bullish structure, higher lows forming higher highs, breaking, no major reversal signs yet, but here's what made it special. We had equal lows sitting below the market, clear liquidity. So step 1 of an A+ setup, liquidity must be taken. Now, let me show you a perfect example of what I mean now. So this is so clear, no guessing. This is GBP USD, and let me tell you, the real reason why a lot of people are always confused when it comes to trading is because they are not marking their charts properly. If you look very closely, you can see that the overall trend of the market is bullish, but there was a reversal, and you can see as I marked it, break of structure, change of character, and boom, the market started selling. And it tapped into this fair value gap area and it crashed down. Yes, this is a fair value gap. Let me mark it properly. There's 2 fair value gap. This is fair value gap, another one. So in between the two, it crashed down. Fine. If you did not catch this move, there's no problem. So you now target the reversal. Now look what happened here. There was a break of structure. As the market breaks this structure, what happens? Then you'll be looking out for 2 things. Is the market going to continue in the trend, or is it going to change character? Now, the moment the market change character here, so you will now target your entry. Markets change character and it started pushing down. Fine, no problem. This is where you're looking at to see if it's going to break here. If it's breaking here, that means the change of character is invalid. But as soon as it did not break, as long as it did not break this low, it didn't break it. But what happened? An A+ setup is that where there's a sweep of the low, it swept this low and it created a fair value gap. The moment that happens, this is your entry. Your first entry, as soon as market breaks structure, you exit, you take your profit. Your first entry from here, this is your entry and this is your target, your first, second, and the second entry is here. So you target for the market to come back to the imbalance before it moves, and the moment it did that, it pushed massively. First TP, second TP, and it hit it massively. This is a very perfect way of trading any pair. This is perfect. No guessing, so you just know what you're looking out for. The moment you see it, boom, you're on the trade and know where to zoom out. So if you want more A+ setup breakdowns, drop a comment saying breakdown and I will share more examples. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.